How many times have you got that crazy idea, that crazy creative breakthrough while you were doing absolutely nothing? Trust me, it has happened with me, and I'm sure it has happened with you as well if you're going to click on this video. So, definitely, it has happened with you. So, most of the times, I usually get this, creative breakthroughs while I'm in the washroom, while I'm taking shower, while I'm just, walking without any distractions, while I'm talking to myself. That's when I actually get that crazy idea, crazy thing, or crazy answers that you were actually looking for to solve a particular problem. So this is actually something that happens to everyone, and I'm sure it has happened with you as well. So, in today's video, I'm going to talk about how doing absolutely nothing is a good thing actually. So, people have glorified, being productive 24/7. I have to hustle and achieve goals all the time. I have to accomplish this and that goal, and all of those things. People are just constantly hustling day in and day out. We have actually glorified all of these things, but here's the truth: most of the creative breakthroughs happen when you're absolutely doing nothing. All right, trust me, it is going to help you tremendously if you give yourself time to breathe, time to think, time to be bored. Okay, people think that you have to be productive all the time. You cannot be bored. People call you lazy if you are just laying around, if you are not doing anything. We have just glorified all of those things, and I do not stand by it. Definitely you need time to recharge yourself, you need time to breathe, you need time to think clearly. So this is this is exactly how you can do it. When you're absolutely doing nothing, your creative juices flow freely. So that's when these you get answers to your questions, you have that mental clarity, you get those creative breakthroughs, and you actually have time to think clearly and make decisions effectively. So you have to give yourself that time so that you get the benefit, you get the most benefit out of it. There are a lot of famous personalities, celebrities use this simple, very simple techniques every single day, or maybe once a week, or once a month. They do definitely do absolutely nothing, and that's where most of the work actually happens. So you must have heard about Bill Gates, the one who has founded Microsoft. He actually takes think weeks where he actually doesn't do anything, and that's where he gets those crazy ideas for Microsoft. So that's where all those things happen, where he takes those think weeks where he's just reading or doing absolutely nothing, no phones, nothing. So that's where his crazy ideas come into play. Even if you have heard about Steve Jobs, that's what he does. And even J.K. Rowling actually got the idea for Harry Potter actually while she was in when the train was delayed. That's where she got that idea from. So you see, these famous personalities actually vouch for it. They are not calling you lazy if you're not doing anything, but it is actually doing absolutely nothing is actually productive. If you want certain ideas for your business or decisions to be made for business, you actually have make time for doing absolutely nothing. Be bored for a while, and it doesn't matter, nobody is going to call you lazy or not unproductive, nothing. Okay, so even for me it has helped tremendously. There are lot of times, lot of there's a phase for me. It's not that I work every single day, I'm productive all the time. People might think, my friends and family might think ki this girl is working every single day, day in and day out, she's the most productive. I definitely do a lot of things. It's not that I don't do. There are a lot of things that I do, but on the outside it looks like I'm not allowing myself to uh, do absolutely to be bored or do absolutely nothing. It looks like I'm hustling 24/7, but that's not the case. I actually allow myself to breathe. I actually don't. There are phases, there are weeks, there are months where I actually don't do anything, and then when I'm bored, that's when that major thing happens. So even the idea for YouTube as well, to start a YouTube channel, I like when I was a kid and when I was in my teenage years, I used to always think that I wanted to start YouTube and share ideas, share my journey, share my tips and tricks so that it helps you as well. But then it never came. But over the past few months before I started this channel, I was actually bored. I was actually not doing anything, and that's when I just thought of starting a new channel and recording this whole journey of me, whatever things that I know, whatever things I have done so far, and how it can help you. So that's where actually this came from. There are a lot of times it has happened uh, while I was taking a shower, I get these crazy ideas to do certain things. Even when I was a kid, this used to happen. But uh, trust me, I didn't know if these things existed. I used to think, oh yeah, whenever I used to go to bathroom, I used to think this is my creative space, and I used to get those ideas. When I was a kid, I was actually painting, and I was into too much into art. Now I do not get so much of time to invest in it. But usually what happens is, I whenever I'm taking a shower, I used to get these ideas, these creative juices flow freely, and I'm like, oh, I can do this, I can do that. Even now it happens once in a while, but it actually happens when I'm actually not doing anything. I'm not even if I actually pressurize myself to think about certain thing and make a decisions, that's not that it doesn't turn out to be that great. Sometimes it doesn't even occur to me anything. Like, I'm just numb most of the time. If you ask me to take a thing or solve a particular problem, I'm just numb, I don't know what to do. But when I'm not doing anything, that's when I'm like, okay, this is what I can do, so this is how I can solve the problem, and it becomes way easier. You feel like your mind has all your answers, and you absolutely did not have to do anything to get that. So that's why definitely schedule downtime, just like your phone needs downtime, even your brain needs downtime, even your body needs downtime. So that's why schedule a downtime, and it is going to help you tremendously. Trust me, it has helped me. So I can vouch for it that it is going to help you as well. Now, you may ask me how to practice it. What are the things that I can do in a day or in a week to actually practice doing nothing? So, the first and foremost thing what you can do is you can schedule a downtime or maybe a boredom time. That is where you actually do absolutely nothing. No phones, no notifications, no gadgets, no books, no nothing, just nothing, you and yourself and your thoughts. That's all. It could be just 10 minutes a day or 15 minutes a day. It doesn't have to be elaborate, it doesn't have to be an hour. If you do have the time, definitely you can do it. But just once a day, just 15 minutes a day is more than enough, or maybe 15 minutes a week is also enough, whatever that you like. See, you cannot come and tell me that you do not have time. No, everybody has got 24 hours in a day. Everybody has the same time. It's just that how you're going to use it. Instead of using, scrolling on TikTok or WhatsApp or Instagram, use that 15 minutes of time slot for being bored. It just has to be you just have to be without your phone for 15 minutes, for 10 minutes, and that's how you are going to schedule your downtime. This is the first thing that you can do. Second thing, you can also go for these silent walks where you're just walking alone. No playlist, no music, no podcast, no nothing. You're not going to carry your phone. You just have to take like 10 to 20 rounds in your own house, or maybe whatever place that you like, and you just have to be silent. You do not have to talk to anyone, or you just you and your thoughts. That's all it is. So this is the second thing that you can do. So the next thing that you can do is you can meditate. Definitely, it has helped me. So meditation actually gives you that mental clarity. It helps you in taking a decision clearly. You get that clarity, you get that confidence of taking a decision. So meditating 10 times a day, you can start with 3 minutes a day if you want. That's then you can slowly gradually increase the number of minutes. You can make it to 10 minutes, 15 minutes. There are a lot of guided meditations on YouTube. You can check out all of those things. You just have to search and be silent for at least 10 to 15 minutes a day. The another thing that you can do is you can do things without multitasking. If you're eating, then you just have to eat. If you're drinking coffee, that's the only thing that you're going to do. You're not going to scroll on TikTok, you're not going to watch TV. Only thing that you're going to do is drinking coffee or eating food. That's the only, eating your meal. That's all you're going to do, so that it primes your brain to be present fully in the moment, in the current moment. So that is going to help you. And the next thing, final thing that you can do is whatever comes into your mind during this boredom time, during this downtime, you just have to document it. Whatever comes to your mind, just quickly document it. There are times that you might forget it as well. So that's why you have to quickly document it. It could be, after that 15-minute time slot, you can quickly take out your phone and write it down. Or if you want to use a book, small notebook, small uh, notepad, definitely you can do that as well, and write down your ideas, write down whatever comes to your mind, and that's how you go about it. So these are the things that you can practice doing today and schedule your boredom time. you know People might say you're not being productive at that time. You do not have to be. Your brain needs some time to breathe, time to think. So that's why you do not have to worry about being, what might people think. People might say or call me lazy. It doesn't matter. Even I do it. Even all the famous celebrities do it. Famous personalities do it. So why not you do the same thing? So that's why do not have to worry about anyone. You're doing it yourself. Just 10 to 15 minutes a day is not a big issue. All right. In today's day and age, people have glorified hustling 24/7. So this is actually not healthy. But if you can schedule that downtime, schedule a boredom time where you absolutely do nothing, no notifications, no phones, no calls, no talking, just you and your thoughts. If you give yourself that 15 minutes, it's more than enough a day. Okay. So that's where most of the creative breakthroughs happen. So give yourself that time and see how your life is going to change, and let me know in the comments what has helped you, what are the things that you do. If you're already doing it, then let me know in the comments what you're doing. If there is anything that you would like to add, or what what is the creative breakthrough that has happened with you after listening to this advice, after following this practice. Let me know in the comments, and hit that subscribe button if you want more videos like this. I make videos on confidence, communication, and self growth and self development. So yeah, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. This is Avarnya signing off. Bye, see you in the next video.